Hello my friends on YouTube. Today I'm going to be picking here a master lock number 1. I'll be using just a standard hook, and here's my own homemade tension tool I use in tight keyways. It allows me to get grip on the top and the bottom but yet have room for the pick. I'm going to try to pick this for you really quick here on camera. I may not get it the first time, may not get it the second, because I'm trying to go really quick for you. Let's see here if I can get it the first time. Nope. Try to reset here because my tension tool just lit out on me. There we go. Sorry it took so long. So many troubles, and on top of that I'm sick today. Try to do it one more time here. You can see it's all locked up. Stupid pin. There you go. All opened again. Well, thanks for watching my videos. Please check out my other videos. Please subscribe. And have a great day.